Hi, welcome to another video. So today, slightly different, I'm going to do a revisited, like those house programs where they revisit things that they've revisited. So today I'm going to revisit my landscaping. So it's been over 2 years since I've landscaped my garden and put the patio in. So let's go and revisit it.
As you can see, the patio has held up pretty well over the last 2 years. It should now be quick and easy just to maintain this area. This is a section where I put in the new Slate pavers, and they are looking pretty good, but they do need to be resealed. The grouting in this area has lasted well. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit here as it's gone a bit green. This is all the new Slate that I've put in previously, but the grouting in this area here has not lasted well at all. I think there's an underlying problem with the French drain where the water drips down here and then gets underneath the slate and is damaging the grouting. And there's obviously a bit of movement there as well as to why the grouting cracks. So what I'm going to do is to re-grout this damaged area. I'll clean it up a bit further and get any loose grouting up. I'll let it dry and then I'll re-grout it. I'm cleaning the grouting just with a stiff nylon scrubbing brush. I'm also going to repaint the doors. I started to mask up the hinges. You can see these nails have gone slightly rusty where they haven't used any zinc coated galvanised nails. So I'm going to rub these down and take off any grease with some surgical spirit. And then I'm going to treat these with this rust treatment. It dries pretty quickly and then you can repaint it in about 10 minutes. That's the doors all painted now, and you can see there's no rusty nails. Okay, time to re-grout this area here where the grouting has cracked. For the grouting, I'm going to mix 1 part water up with 5 parts of the grout powder. I'm working this really well into the gaps using my grout float. I've done this bit already here. All I need to do is to clean up the edges. I'm doing a small section at a time. I'm just working this into the gaps and then rubbing my grout float over the top to get the grout nice and smooth and level. And now I'm cleaning up the edges. Great, that's all that bit done and it's just drying. I've now done the whole area and re-grouted any sections that needed to be done. I've washed this all over with clean cold water and now it's ready for resealing. Now I'm going to use this matte stone natural finish impregnating sealer. I'm pouring this on quite liberally onto the tiles, and then I'm just going to use my mop just to get this all over the grout and all over the slate. I've let it dry and now I've done another coat. Great, that's all done now. Now to put everything back in place, I'll move the patio furniture back and then move the plants back into place. Well, that's all done and the patio doors are painted, and that'll help to protect it all for the winter. You can see the rain just sits on top now and it's not soaking into the slate as it was previously. Great, well that's another job done. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for some more videos and click the bell for any notifications, and do give this video a like.